thought I'd quickly show you my Hobonichi Original A6 for 2024 and how I've been practicing the daily page layout. So for those of you, you might have seen this page already. So what I did is I photocopied a 2-page daily spread, so then that way I can plan out how I think I want to use this page for 2024. So this will most likely be my day-to-day time blocking and task scheduling planner, and so it's a nice little size. So what I've done already is I have photocopied, let me see, a few pages for the next couple of days and just stuck them together. So then that way I have a really good idea how I want to use it starting in January. So I think I like this setup. I can do some embellishment at the top with washi tape, stickers, days of the week washi at the bottom. I just recently bought a stamp for a mood tracker, so I color that in at the end of the day. Time blocking, can clearly see any gaps in the day. So here there's a couple of gaps because that's our homeschooling, and then I just list down the task and to-dos and any appointments for that day. Now I just recently thought, I had these arrow sticky note flags, the fluoro kind, and I could easily just point to anything that I want to flag, I guess the better word. However, with a little label maker on hand, this is the Make ID label maker, I added these little prompts for each flag. So important here, I need to do a workout because I haven't been doing a workout and I've been whinging about putting on weight. So that's important. So hopefully that flags it to, well, come on, you've got still half the day, so you better put a workout in, and then a priority task, because then normally my priorities will be at top of the page. However, this came at the last minute, so I need to make sure I do that and action it. So what I did is I just grabbed myself a few different colored sticky note flags. So these ones, there's quite a few to complete, and they match the color coding that I do for my task. So pink is me stuff, orange is for YouTube, Instagram, clean the house, school, boys stuff, or my own online and reading and learning, and then this one regarding collaborations, and then to complete I think either payment stuff or planning things, and then some follow-up, don't forget, research, and more me stuff, which is self-care. So then I just have that on the pocket of my Hobonichi Techo Original, the A6 size, so I can easily grab it for the days. So then the idea was, so for anything that I didn't complete, let's say the day before, instead of rewriting it, like I can easily see if it's this 2-page spread, but then if I need to carry it over to the next day or so, instead of having to rewrite, I can then flag it with these fluoro sticky note flags. So I hope that's a little tip that you can also action for your own planner, sticky note flags with labels. Have a great day. Bye bye.